Dogs, the sound of D. There's dog. There's a dog. One, two, three, four dogs. Some dogs run after balls. Some dogs run after balls. Look, he's running really fast. You can tell. He's got his eye right on that ball right there. He's going to catch it. Some dogs come when they are called. See, he's running. Somebody probably said, come. He's running really fast. You can tell because his tongue's sticking out and his ears are straight up. Some dogs dig in the sand. Oh, look at that. I bet he smells something because dogs have a really good sense of smell. Some dogs take baths in a tub. Look at that young man there. He's put his dog in the tub, getting him a good bath because you need to keep dogs clean. Some dogs walk on two legs. Look at that. Standing up on two legs and two paws up. Some dogs jump and some can beg. See, look, some can jump and some can beg. See, he has his paw up. So he wants something. He wants to get his attention from his friend. Some dogs nap on a rug. So there he is, sleeping on the rug. There's the dog. There's the rug. Some dog get lots of hugs. Look at that. Until she really likes her pet dog. Some dogs help us if they can. So they call them a service dog, and she depends on that dog to help guide her around and help show her where she should go, where she should not go. So the dog is a very good helper. Some dogs can be our best friends. Oh, look. Little boy, he's rubbing his dog's ears. The dogs love that. So you can tell he knows his dog because he's right there and he's petting him. If it's a strange dog, you wouldn't look him right in the face. You'd stand up. But that's his dog. So he can be that close to him. Word list. Dig. Dogs. And for more books and resources, you can just go to homeschoolforlife.org. Thank you.